What's going on, barbecue family? I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today we are doing a game day snack that I've been craving for a while. We will be doing open face smoked jalapeno poppers, so stick around, let's get it. All right, so here we are. First order of business, we have our peppers here. We're gonna go ahead and get these cut in half and get them seeded and deveined. So I'll go ahead and start on that. All right, so now that that step is finished, I'm gonna set these aside and we will get the filling put together. All right, our next step, this filling that we're making is pretty simple. We're gonna go down with a block of cream cheese first. And then to that, we will add real bacon bits. Add a Mexican blend cheese here. There's several different cheeses there, Monterey, cheddar. We'll just come down with that. And then the rub we'll be using is the Smokin' Mexicali from Mississippi Meat Mafia, so we'll add that in. Give it a good smoky flavor right out of the gate. It's a really good rub. If you haven't tried it, you should pick it out. All right, and we'll just mix this together. All right, and this is our mixture. I will get the jalapenos over here and we will start getting these stuffed. Okay, let's stuff some peppers here. All right, so here is our finished product. We are gonna hit this with just a little bit more seasoning over all of them. And then we'll add a bit more cheese. All right, and I will meet you at the smoker and we will get these on. I'll bring you back for that. All right, everyone, so we are outside at the pit boss trying to get this cook done before the storm rolls in. We are just about at 225 on the pit boss. We are gonna throw these poppers on. We will just let them get a little bit of smoke. We'll let the jalapenos soften a bit and the cheese melt, and they'll be ready to come off. So we're gonna go ahead, run in, grab them, and get them on the smoker. poppers are on, and like I said, it's just a quick and simple snack, so this shouldn't be a long cook. We will just come back and check here periodically to make sure they're softening up and make sure the cheese is melting, and once that happens, we'll go ahead and pull them off, bring them inside, and give them a little taste test. So I'll bring you back when I come to check them. All right, everybody, it's been about 30 minutes, so let's grab us a peek and see how we're looking. Okay, yeah, it's looking pretty good. The cheese is starting to melt. You can tell we got a little smoke on it. Looks like the peppers are starting to soften a bit. I'll probably give it another 10 minutes and we will go ahead and pull these off and bring them inside. So I'll bring you back for that. All right, everyone, so the poppers are just done. We let them rest for about 15 minutes and we're gonna give them a try. So here's one. Let's give it a try. Now that is a snack you can't beat right there. Good smoky flavor, got a kick to it, some bite. I really love these. So just want to thank you for stopping by the channel again. As always, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like, give me a comment, let me know how you do your game time snacks. And until next time, we'll see you guys and roll tide.